Assalamu alaikum students. Now we'll start practice at 6.2. So before starting with the exercise, we will see the property which we will going to use for solving the sum of practice at 6.2. If in a circle I have taken one of a center, that is O, I am taking here two chords, that is chord AB and also chord CD, and it is given to us that these two chords are congruent. So we can say chord AB and chord CD are congruent chord. Then the distance of this chord from the center, if I will take here, the distance is OP and here the distance is OM. So definitely we know the distance are perpendicular. So whenever two chords are congruent, then their distance from the center will also congruent. That means if the chord AB is congruent to chord CD, then distance OP will be congruent to distance OM. So you have to remember this property. If the chords are congruent, then their distance will be congruent. And in other way, if the distances are congruent, then the chord will also congruent. So only this property we have to use to solve the sum of practice at 6.2. So this is practice at 6.2. Total 3 questions are there. Out of this, the third question will be omit. So only first and second 2 question we have to do in this practice set. So now we'll start our question number 1. So radius of a circle is 10 centimeter. There are two chords of length 16 centimeter each. See here how the statement is given. Two chords are there and their length is 16 centimeter each. Means the length of each of the chord is 16. So both the chord is having the same length. That means they will be congruent to each other. Then what will be the distance? Distance what is coming? So it is nothing but the perpendicular distance of these chords from the center of the circle. So if the chords are congruent, definitely their distance from the center will also congruent. So now we'll see how to solve this question. Here in this question, the naming is not given. Name of the center, name of the chord, nothing is given to us. So all the naming we can take with our own. So now we'll start practice at 6.2 question number 1. So here I have taken the figure. So no naming is given. So we have taken the naming with our own. So I have taken O as a center. AB and CD are the two chords and the perpendicular distances are OP and OM. The length of the chord is given as 16 centimeter. So we can say AB will be 16 centimeter. By taking the half of this AB, we can find AP. And other than that, the radius is also given to us. So radius is nothing but OA. The radius is given as 10 centimeter. So if we know the hypotenuse, we know the one side, then we can find the other side by applying again same Pythagoras theorem. And whatever will be the length of OP, same will be length of OM. Okay, so in this way we have to do. So see here, we will write first all the given thing. So radius, it is nothing but OA is given as 10 centimeter. AB as well as CD, both the chord is given as 16 centimeter. And we have to find the distances. So OP and OM, distance will also same. So we have to find it. So I have taken here question mark. Now AB is 16, so we will take half of it, so we can get the value of AP. So we will write AB is 16 centimeter. It is given to us. Then AP will be half into AB. Again the same reason, perpendicular drawn from the center, bisect the chord. Here we will apply the value of AB, that is 16. So here half into 16. Now this 16 we can cancel by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. So in this way we have got the value of AP is equal to 8 centimeter. So we got this AP is 8, this OA is 10. So we can find OP by applying Pythagoras theorem. And here hypotenuse is OA, one side will be AP, other side will be OP. First of all, we will take segment OP is perpendicular on chord AB. It is given. Because of this OP is perpendicular, angle OPA is 90 degree. And because of this 90 degree, this triangle is right angle triangle. And if the triangle is right angle triangle, then only we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So we have applied here Pythagoras theorem. The statement of Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to one side is square plus other side is square. So as I have shown you in the figure, hypotenuse is OA, one side is OP, other side is AP. Now we'll apply the values. OA is 10, AP we have got 8. So we'll apply both the values. So 10 square is equal to OP square, we have taken like that only, and AP is 8 square. Here we have to take the square of 10 also, square of 8 also. Square of 10 is 100. Square of 8 is 64. So we have taken here both the value. Now here plus 64 we will take on other side. So it will become minus. So 100 minus 64 is equal to OP square. 100 minus 64 will be 36. So we have got OP square is 36. Now we have to remove the square. So taking square root of both the sides. Same thing we are taking in both the exercise. So you have to remember all this statement. So taking square root of both the side. So here square will remove and the root of 36 is nothing but 6. So we have got OP is equal to 6 centimeter. Now we have here both the chords AB and CD is given as congruent. It is given as congruent because both are having the same value. Therefore, if the chords are congruent, then these distances are also congruent. So OP and OM both will be 6 centimeter. At last we can write the distance of the chord from the center is 6 centimeter. So in this way we have completed our question number 1. Now we'll start question number 2 of practice set 6.2. In a circle with radius 13 centimeter. Radius is 13 centimeter, two equal chords. Again in the question only it is given equal chords are at a distance of 5 centimeter. Here the distance is given. We have to find the length of chords. So we'll see how to solve this question. Again in this question, the name of the center, name of the chords are not given. So we will take with our own. So here we will start question number 2. So no naming is given in the question. So I have taken with my own. So we have taken here O as a center, AB and CD are the two chords, OP and OM are perpendicular distances. Here the radius is given. So radius is nothing but OA. So OA is given as 13 centimeter. Then the distance of the chord from the center is given. It is 5. So distance is nothing but OP and OM. Both the distance is 5. We have to find the length of the chord, and the chord are nothing but AB and CD. So the length of chord AB and CD we have to find. So again see here the radius is given as 13 centimeter and the distance is 5 centimeter. We know the hypotenuse, we know one side, we can find the other side. After finding AP, we will do the double of AP, so it will be AB. So here solution we will see in triangle OPA, angle OPA is equal to 90 degree. Because of this 90 degree, the triangle is a right angle triangle. If the triangle is right angle triangle, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. The statement of Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to one side is square plus other side is square. Hypotenuse is OA, one side is OP, other side is AP. So here OA square is equal to OP square plus AP square. Now we'll apply the values. So OA is 13, OP is 5. So square of 13, 169, square of 5, 25. So 169 is equal to 25 plus AP square. Now here it is plus 25. We will take on other side, so it will become minus. So 169 minus 25 is equal to 144. So here we have to remove the square. So for removing the square, we will take square root of both the side. Now this square will remove and root of 144 will be 12. So we have got AP is equal to 12 centimeter. Again we'll use the statement of the theorem. So AP is nothing but half into AB, perpendicular, drawn from the center, bisect the chord. Directly also we can take the double, but I am taking purposely the same statement in each of the questions, so it will be easy to remember. Now AP is 12, so we'll apply the value here. 12 is equal to 1 upon 2 into AB. Now this 2 is in division. If we will take on other side, it will be in multiply. So 12 into 2 is equal to AB. 12 2s are 24. So AB we have got 24 centimeter. So length of one chord is 24, but we know that in the question only it is given both the chords are congruent, therefore both the chord are 24 centimeter. At last we will write length of chord is 24 centimeter. So in this way we have completed our question number 2 of practice set 6.2, and also practice set is also over, because I have said you in this practice set we have to do only 2 questions, third is omit.